Over the next 6 months, we can make real progress on the drone deal that Ukraine has proposed to the European Union. We have also concluded a good number of bilateral agreements and broader partnerships with European countries that can help bring Ukraine's new defense technologies into wider use, including drone and counter-drone systems that are already proving effective. Today, every country needs the modern means to at least monitor and protect its own airspace and sea borders. Without Ukraine's experience and security expertise tested in modern war, it is simply impossible to guarantee security today, especially when it comes to air defense and maritime security. That is why I invite all of Europe to work together as closely as possible.